Welcome to Ample Blazer's video tutorial. In this video tutorial we're going to show you how to enable email forwarding using Microsoft Outlook, and this is the new Microsoft Outlook app. So this way you can actually do this on the web version as well. As long as you're signed into your account, it will work the same. So all you need to do is log in, and then you've got the cog up here. Click on the cog. You will get something like this, and then click on mail, and then when you've got mail, go down to forwarding, enable forwarding, and then add the email address you want. Something like that. Also remember, if you want to keep a copy for yourself as well, so it goes to the other email plus keeping a copy for yourself, tick the box that says keep a copy of forwarded messages and then hit save, and then that's it. Once you've done that, the forward is on, and then when you want to turn it off, you just go up to the cog again and then come back into forwarding and turn it off, and that's it. And then you can close, and that's how the forwarding gets enabled and disabled on Microsoft Outlook. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.